What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to export projects in iMovie on your iPhone or iPad. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. From the project browser, select the project you want to export. To get here while working on your project, simply tap on Done on the top left of your screen. To export and save your project, tap on the share icon on the bottom of your screen. You can directly send the video to one of your recent contacts or select to save it to your local video library. Select Options next to the project name. This allows you to save the project as an iMovie project and preview the iMovie project as well as edit it in the future. Below, when selecting the video type, you can change the video resolution. After making your changes, select to save or send the project and it will start exporting instantly. The export process will be faster when using a lower resolution and when using a shorter video. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.